Alright, so this is what I'm going to be showing the video today. You can see these are some of the cards already that I've generated on the platform. You can see, so all that I just need to show just for me to print out the voucher, and once that is being done, the cards, I can be able to set them out. So without further ado, let's get started. Right, so the first thing you need to do is to come to this website, 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗘𝗖𝗧𝗘𝗗. Right, once you come to the website, alright, it's going to bring you to this website, and this is exactly what you're going to see. Once you come to this website, this is exactly what you're going to see: login, register. So the thing you need to do is to click on the register. Right, you put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, email, password, delivery ID, and you click on register. Right, well, I'm a registered member of this platform, so all I need to do is just to click on login. So I'm going to be logging on this website to show exactly how this will be done. Alright, so I just click on login. Right, alright, so I'll just Alright, so you can see this website is not only for cards to be printed. This website is a VTU website. So this website, you can reach out your electricity bill, you can buy white paint, you can buy data, and you can see empty 1 GB, you can get it for 230 naira. So you can also use this as a business. See people selling 1 GB for 350, 400 and all that. So you can get it cheaper on this website. You can buy at a cheaper price and resell at a higher price. So, but the main goal today is about the card, the printing. Alright, so if you're going to print out the what's it called, if you're going to be printing the recharge card, you have to put in money. But first, let me show you the ones I've generated on this platform. So the thing to do is to click on this place, on this bar here. Once you click on it, you come to more option. You click on more option, you click on the plus sign, and you come to print recharge card. Alright, you click on the plus sign and you click on 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗘𝗖𝗧𝗘𝗗. Alright, so once that is clicked, it's going to lead us, it's going to load us through the parts for the cards to be printed. You can see these are some of the ones I've generated. Right, so if I'm going to print this, I'll just click on print voucher. Alright, as you can see, this is exactly what I was going to bring it, the ones I've generated on the platform, and I'm going to print it out. Alright, but let me show you step by step how this can be done on the platform. Now I'm having 0.190, but for the cost, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be loading on on this wallet. I'm going to be adding 100 naira on this wallet. Alright, to show how this can be done. So the thing to do is to go to my account, alright, and click on dashboard. Sorry, I click on dashboard. It's going to load us to the dashboard where I'm going to deposit the money. I'm going to be depositing 100 naira to show us step by step how this can be done. Alright, so I'll just click on the deposit money to add 100 naira to my wallet. Alright, so I'm on to deposit. I'm going to be putting 100 naira. I've been using this platform for more than 2 years or so now. So select how you pay. I always use my bank transfer, so I click on this, click on bank transfer, and click to proceed. Alright, it's going to bring us the account number. Right, so I always go with this. I go with this nearby this particular number, account number. I'm using this particular number for a long time. So 0.5% for transaction below 10,000 and 15 naira for transaction of 10,000 above. Alright, so let me quickly fund my account. All I need to do is just to transfer the 100 naira to this account number, and automatically my account will be funded. So let me quickly do that. Right, as you can see, I just transferred the 200 naira to the NeoByte account number, the 7045. So let me go to the dashboard and see if it has reflected. All right, so let's go back to let's go to my account. To the dashboard, see if it has reflected. I just need to refresh. Alright, automatically the account, I'll just wait for some minutes. The 20 naira reflect on the portal. You can see the money has reflected on the portal and they deducted 0 point something naira as it was stated. So I'm having 199 naira in my wallet. So the next thing to do is to go back to this place, right, and click on more option. Click on the plus sign and click on print recharge card and click on the plus sign. I mistakenly pressed something. More option, print or recharge card, and click on this plus button and click on the ATM pin. Alright, so I just click on the mobile network. I would like to print out M10, alright, 100 naira credits. So that gives me a discount. So you can enjoy. The more the only way you can enjoy more benefit on this platform is to upgrade membership. Alright, so with that you enjoy a lot of things on the platform. So now, so if you order more in quantities, you're going to get a lot of discount on it. Alright, so I'm going to give it 99.50, the quantity I want. Currently they're having over 1,997 quantities so that you can print out. Right, but I only want one, so I'll just generate pin. Click on generate pin. Alright. So click to proceed. Alright, as you can see, the pin has been generated. Alright, this is 21st February 2023. M10, serial number, these and these and these and that. Alright, so all I need to do now is just to click on print voucher. Alright, come to this part and click on print voucher. Alright. Alright, you can see this is my name, 𝐘𝐸𝐴, and you can see. So let me show you how you're going to print this. You just click on this button. Okay, yeah, you click on here, you click on the share, you come to this side and click on print. Click on print. See, this is going to show it and you print it out. But now you can save it as PDF on your phone. You just click on this, save as PDF. To your phone. Alright, just name it a pen. Alright, let's save it to let's just save it to download. Save. So it has been saved to our phone. So all we need to do is just to go to our files and go to download. Alright, so this is the document on my phone. I just click on it. Alright, so from here I can send, if currently you don't have a printer, you can send this to you can go to printing shop and send this to them and let them print out and delete it on the system. And also you can come to this website you can come to this website aliexpress.com. Come to AliExpress, and once you come to this website, you just search for Bluetooth printer. You can also get this on Jumia, but Jumia I think is expensive. You can search for Bluetooth printer. Alright, so you can connect the Bluetooth printer to your phone. So from your phone, you just click on print, you on the printer, and from the phone you click on print, and it will be sent to the printer. Alright, you don't need to show yourself, the papers comes with it, everything comes with the printer. You just click on print, just the way I showed you earlier, and the paper will be sent to the Bluetooth printer, and the papers and all that will be printed out. Alright, so this is one of the best way you can print out without even leaving the comfort of the home. Alright, sorry, the network is kind of bad tonight. Okay, I think that's loaded. Alright, you see, you can even do this as business. On Jumia, it's been sold around 14, 15, 20,000. Alright, you can see this is one of them. This is being sold for 7,000 with a shipping of 1,400. There is one that is free shipping. I don't like this. Okay, look at this one to 6,000 with free shipping. It's down 425. Alright, at most you can buy them is around 8,000 naira. So this is the one I use. This is the one you can use. This 7,000, let's say 8,000 naira. You buy them. You buy it will be shipped to you in Nigeria, and from there you can connect this to your phone. Alright, and you print out the cards. Let's go to Jumia and see how much Jumia is selling it. Let's go to Jumia. You go to Jumia and search for that same price that everything, you will buy them at a rate of 8,000 naira. Alright, let's search for that same Bluetooth printer and see how much is being sold in Jumia. This is another way you can make money here in Nigeria. You buy a cheaper price from China and you will sell at a higher price here in Nigeria. Alright, sorry, network is bad. If you want to know more about that, there is also a course link as a video I made for mini importation. If you want to know more about this on my channel, you can see it's loading. The same price we saw for 8,000 naira and all that, that's what is being sold for 19,000 naira. That's almost 10,000 naira gain on a piece. So if you're selling like 10, that's over 100,000 naira from just selling Bluetooth printer. And this person has gotten over for a 30. That's to tell you that this person has been over 200,000 naira by selling these on Jumia. You can see that same stuff, it's still loading. This kind of a saw for around 6,000 naira. They're selling it for 18,500. Look at this, was the one we saw on AliExpress for around 8,000 naira. Look at it's been sold for 20,000 naira here. See business. See 18,000 naira here. 18,000 naira. See 22,000 naira. 55,000. This person lady. See. We saw this on AliExpress. It's been sold for 20,500. Alright, so I've shown you exactly what to do on the platform. Alright, by going to 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗘𝗖𝗧𝗘𝗗. So there are a lot of things you can actually do on the platform. There are a lot of things you can do on the platform. So it's not just the recharging of cards. There are a lot of things you can do. So I've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching this part. God bless you. Remember.